Hello, everybody. Welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today, let us see how to make sweet potato kebab or pattis or shakarkandi tikki, as we say. This can be made even during religious fasting or vrat.
Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.
We have taken 500 grams sweet potatoes. So, let us begin by cutting off both the ends. Because it is a long one, we have to cut it into two. Peel off the skin and chop them into small pieces. You can chop them in any way you want. Make sure they are uniformly cut so that they cook properly. And now let us wash them well. And we have heated water in a vessel. Put a perforated plate inside it. And now let us place the vessel with the sweet potatoes inside. There is no water added to the sweet potatoes directly. Now cover and cook this vessel for 15 minutes on a high flame. After 15 minutes on a high flame, we have switched off the flame and the sweet potatoes have cooked. They are very softly done. Now you can use this sweet potato in any of the recipes, or you can even have them as is. Now let us mash the sweet potatoes. Now they are perfectly mashed. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Add quarter teaspoon red chili powder. This is entirely optional. If you're fasting, you needn't add it. Add salt to taste. Add 3 green chilies finely chopped and 1-inch piece ginger finely chopped. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix it very well. Now we are adding 3 tablespoon rice flour or chawal ka atta. But you can replace this with kuttu ka atta or rajgira atta if you are fasting. Add 1 tablespoon besan or chickpeas flour. And now let us make a dough. Our dough is ready, and in the meanwhile, let us take half cup rolled gluten-free oats. We have taken it in a mixer jar and we are going to powder the oats. It's a coarse powder. These are rolled oats, gluten-free rolled oats. And this is besan ka mixture. We have made a thin paste of besan or chickpeas flour. And now let us take small portions of the dough and make them into balls like this. These are going to be our patties or kebab. Heat some ghee or oil in a tawa. And now dip the patties in the besan mixture, in the thin paste that we prepared. And now dip this into oats powder. Again dip it into the besan mixture. And now this will go into the heated ghee. Add it to the hot ghee. We are just showing you one at first. Now when it is cooked, flip it to the other side. Let it get cooked on the other side too. This should take about a minute or more. Our kebab is ready. Doesn't it look yummy? Now we will repeat the same procedure. Dip into basin, dip into oats and again dip into basin and then add it to the ghee. Let it cook for about a minute and then flip it to the other side. Now we are adding more kebabs. Now the kebabs are ready. Remove them. Our yummy, delicious kebabs are ready. From children to old people, everyone is going to love it. Do try this out. As I said, this is also a Vrat friendly recipe. We are having it with tomato ketchup. Do check out this recipe of tomato ketchup in our channel. But you can have it with any chutney, date chutney or green chutney or coconut chutney, any chutney that you want, or even you can have it as is. Thank you very much for watching this recipe. Hope you all enjoyed this. See you soon with another video. Bye for now. Take care.